Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at this Punchy Blood Orange, bitters and cardamom, lightly sparkling with vitamin D soda. As with most sodas you see recently, they have a really nice design. So if it was all about design, this already would be 5 stars. But of course we have to taste it, we have to see it, we have to know what's up. But it looks really cool. This taste is blood orange. It also has bitters and cardamom. I didn't know what cardamom was, but it is apparently a plant and it is family of the ginger plant. So I guess that's the taste. To be honest, it's not my favorite thing, but in the mix it might be nice. And it also has vitamin D, so no sun needed anymore. What's inside? You got the small little bullet points here that say that it's vegan, it contains vitamin D, it's gluten free, it has no preservatives and it's plant based. Well, that's all pretty good. And when we take a look at the real ingredients, well, it's carbonated water of course, orange juices, lemon juices, Italian blood orange extract, a natural Valencian orange flavoring, acids, all kinds of other crap. Pretty clean drink, and it has vitamin D, so that's pretty fun. And it's low on calories, only 24 calories in 100 milliliters, and it is a can of 250 milliliters. All in all, you want to see how it looks, and I want to see how it looks, so let's check it out. Okay, that's different because, well, this is the first soda I reviewed that actually has a little bit of color. This one actually does have a little bit of pop. It's orange. Well, I guess it's the blood orange and the normal orange in the ingredients that do that. Of course, blood orange has a really strong color, so that's probably why. All that's needed is to take a taste test. Okay, as you can see, I tried it. It's not bad. It's not my favorite drink. I do not taste, I guess, the cardamom a lot. It is kind of like carbonated water with blood orange. And that's not bad. I think that if blood orange is your favorite fruit, this will probably one of your favorite drinks. But it's not one of my favorite fruits. That's a kind of a problem. These cans are only, well, I guess between €1 and €2. They're often on sale. All in all, that's a pretty good and fair price. The taste compared with the design, of course I have to give points for the design. All in all, this is a 4-star review. Let's try Punchy because, well, it's got a little bit of punch. Haha. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Cheers. I'll check you later.